Hi everyone, CBSE Class 10 Math video solution to the sample paper given by the board for the 2021 examination. This is a standard version of the paper. The last question in the sample question paper, question number 36, it's a 5-mark question. It's a question where it's a word problem. It's a question for which we'll have to frame equations. The equations can be converted into linear equations, solve them, and therefore find the answer. Quite an interesting question, right? A motorboat covers a distance of 16 kilometers upstream and 24 kilometers downstream in 6 hours. In the same time, what time? In the same 6 hours, it covers a distance of 12 kilometers upstream and 36 kilometers downstream. So it takes the same 6 hours to do one of these two, 16 kilometers upstream and 24 downstream, it takes 6 hours. Conversely, if it traveled 12 kilometers upstream and 36 kilometers downstream, it will take the same 6 hours. What are we supposed to find out? We need to find out the speed of the boat in still water, and we need to find out the speed of the stream. So let's assign two variables for it. Let's call the speed of the boat in still water to be equal to b kilometers per hour and the speed of the stream to be equal to s kilometers per hour. So downstream and upstream speed respectively will be equal to b plus s kilometers per hour and b minus s kilometers per hour. Right. Let's plug in the data that we have. We have two information, right? Traveling some distance upstream, some distance downstream, it takes 6 hours. What is that information given? First part, 16 kilometers upstream, 24 kilometers downstream is going to be equal to 6 hours. Time taken to travel is equal to distance divided by speed. So we are going to frame an equation for this part. We'll call it as equation 1 is to travel a distance of 16 kilometers upstream. Upstream speed is b minus s. Distance is in kilometers, speed is in kilometers per hour. So we'll get the time in terms of number of hours. So 16 by b minus s hours is the time taken to travel 16 kilometers upstream. 24 kilometers downstream, distance is equal to 24, speed is equal to b plus s. So time taken to travel 24 kilometers downstream is equal to 24 upon b plus s, number of hours. Number of hours to travel upstream, number of hours to travel downstream, together they are saying it's going to take 6 hours. So 16 upon b minus s plus 24 upon b plus s is equal to 6 is equation number 1 for us. Let's make equation number 2 from this information. Exactly the same logic, 12 divided by, because it's upstream speed, b minus s plus 36 divided by b plus s, which is the downstream speed. This is again the same 6. How are we going to solve this? One, we can take b plus s, b minus s common denominator and work with it. But these questions, you have seen a variety of this where we can translate this into a linear equation by saying 1 upon b minus s is equal to an x and 1 upon b plus x is b plus s equal to a y. That's what I'm going to do. 1 upon b minus s is equal to x. 1 upon b plus s is equal to y. So what will the first equation therefore be? 16 times 1 upon b minus s. So 16x plus 24y is equal to a 6. I'm going to call this 16x plus 24y is equal to 6. This is equation 3 for us. And 12x plus 36y. 12x plus 36y is equal to a 6. We have got two linear equations, right? We translated what was given into a linear equation. We'll solve this by the process of eliminating one of the variables. Let's eliminate variable y, multiply equation 3 with the 3, that will make this as 72y, multiply equation 4 with the 2, which will make it as again a 72y, subtract 3 times equation 3 minus 2 times equation 4, right? 3 times equation 3 is subtracted from 2 times equation 4. 3 times equation 3 is 48x plus 72y is equal to an 18. 2 times equation 4 is 24x plus 72y is equal to a 12. Subtract one from the other, 72y and 72y gets cancelled. 48x minus 24x is a 24x. This is equal to a 6, translating to the fact that x is equal to 6 upon 24, which is 1 upon 4. So one thing we have found out. Plug that into one of these equations, equation 3. So 16 times 1 upon 4 plus 24y is equal to a 6. Translate to a 4, take the 4 to the right hand side, so you'll get 24y is equal to a 2, or y is equal to 2 by 24, y is equal to 1 by 12. X is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 1 by 12, right? Are we interested in x and y? Yes, to the extent that they are going to help us find out b and s. Let's find out what it is. So x is equal to 1 by b minus s, which is equal to 1 by 4. Which means that b minus s is equal to 4, equation which is of relevance to us. y is equal to 1 by b plus s, which is equal to 1 by 12, translating to the fact that b plus s is equal to a 12. We'll give numbers to these equations also, 5 and 6. Add these two equations, 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6, if we add them, you will get 2b is equal to 16, or b is equal to 8. Plug in the value of b as 8 in one of the equations. 8 plus s is equal to 12, which means s is equal to 4. Still water speed of the boat is equal to 8 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the stream is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Right. The crux is, the moment you see a 1 by b minus s and 1 by b plus s, should know that take this 1 by b minus s to be an x and 1 by b plus s to be a y, convert this into a linear equation, the typical linear equation, pair of linear equations in two variables, solve for x and y, and from there compute the values of b and s. Best wishes for your class 10 board examination. This year you got a lot more time than usual, but this was also a very weird year. Many of you would not have even gone to your schools other than for practical examination and some cluster examinations. Make the best out of it. Score a centum. This additional time, let's make the best out of it and get as high a mark as we can. Best wishes. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.